Hi guys! So I just wanted to pop in and tell you quickly about a new program that I'm launching. Okay, so I know a lot of people sit on the fence about getting coaching, whether it's career, business or personal, because they don't want to be seen as anything other than an expert of some kind. That's human nature. We don't want to be seen as less. The truth is, we've been coached our entire lives by someone, be it a family member or a friend or by people we admire and respect the opinions of. For example, a newly engaged couple will hire a wedding planner to help them plan their wedding day to ensure it'll be a success. But will they invest in planning and learning how to make that marriage be a success for the rest of their lives? And similar, somebody who's struggling with their career and has people depending on them may, out of sheer fear, stay stuck and risk their mental health rather than seek out a career coach because they don't want their family to know they're unhappy. And someone might say, I'm sure that coaching stuff's a load of nonsense. When in fact, this could be the thing that changes their life and sets them free from that horrible job they dread getting up for every day. It's the same with small businesses. Small business owners struggle on a daily basis to make consistent income from their business and feel like they are the reason the business is failing because they don't know how to run a business, when in fact it's not their fault at all. Not everyone is born with the knowledge of growing a successful business, but by investing in learning how to grow it and consistently, you will actually save money in the long run. So, if you're ready to leap off that fence, then I would only be too happy to welcome you into the new program that I'm launching, which is called Steps to Success. So, Steps to Success is a 3-month business mentoring program to support businesses like yours. I'll help you to take a look at where your business is right now. We'll look at what it is you need to do over the coming months to gain clarity and how to develop and grow your business. Maybe you have an idea you want to develop, but you're not sure how to explore it. Or maybe you feel like the work you put into your business isn't reflected in the level of progress you're making right now. I hear you. I've been that soldier. These things can keep you stuck for months and leaving you feeling totally frustrated and fed up and ready to give up. Through my own experience and willingness to develop my skills, I've developed ways to get past this stage in business, and I want to share them with you through this program. We all get stuck from time to time. We'll get stuck in. It's part of running a business. It's part of the territory that comes with running your own business. The great news is, I'm here to help you every step of the way. This program will enable you to take the next step on your ladder of success and will help you to put your best foot forward in driving your business to the place you've always wanted it to be. Okay? So there's lots of things included. The first thing we'll do is once you go through to the link and book yourself into the course, I will do a one-to-one discovery call session with you straight away to identify the things you want help with to help you take your business forward. Okay? We'll put together a bespoke action plan that will help you take action and get results that you desire for your business. And this is all part of the program. Okay? Each week we'll have a 60-minute weekly support session in the private members group to ensure you're fully supported while you're implementing your action plans. Okay? You'll have ongoing access to the program's content in your members area. You have lifetime access. Okay? Once you buy it, it's yours and that's it. It's yours for keeps. And we do a one-to-one check-in call each month where I check in with you one-on-one to see how you're getting on and to ensure, again, that you're fully supported. Okay? We'll be covering lots of lovely stuff. We'll be covering things like marketing for your business, including email marketing, self-management, self-care in your business, how to motivate your team, team management for your business, productivity in your business, creating content for your business, your social media platforms, how to direct traffic from your social media platforms to your website. If you don't have a website yet, don't worry. Your social media will be powerful enough. Okay? And I'll show you how to do all that. testimonials and case studies to support your business, how to get them in, how to ask clients for them. Some people aren't very comfortable with things like that, and I help you get rid of all those kind of blocks. If you want to create blogs for your business, I'll show you how to do that. If you want to do video blogs for your business, I'll show you how to do that, and I'll help you access some free tools for you to be able to do that. There's loads of free resources in the members area for your business that you download and use for your business and implement into your business straight away from the minute you join. And positive language to benefit your business. So that's something, it's kind of something that people don't really think about, but positive language is really, really important when you're a business person. Okay? And we'll align your self-belief, your confidence, your mindset to match your business. Okay, so there's loads of stuff there. Not all the stuff will tick your boxes. That's fine. You take what you need to use in your business, because this program is all about you and how you are going to benefit. Okay, so the doors are open now. They will remain open until the 1st of January, and then midnight on the 1st of January, the doors will shut. I don't know if it'll open again. I don't think it'll open again this year. I think this might be the only time, because I want to invest in it properly, and I want to make sure that I'm supporting everybody that comes into the program. So my plan is not to reopen it again. It will just be just opening. It's closing on January the 1st, and that's it. It won't open again. So this is your chance to get in. After that, you'll have to wait another year. Sorry. So if you're ready to get started, I'm going to put the links in this video, in this post, so that you can click on the link. There are payment plan options there if you want to avail of those too. Okay. If you want to have a quick chat about it, send me a private message and I'll arrange a 15-minute one-to-one call where we just quickly go through what it is, any questions you have, any concerns you might have that you want to maybe iron out. Okay. So that's it. The doors are open. Let me know. Send me a message. The link is in the post. Pop through and have a look. See what you think. There's lots of testimonials up there of one-to-one clients that I've worked with, and that have helped me develop this program. We've had very, very good results. I have one client that he's able to sleep again. He's in business for over 10 years and could never just figure out how to get consistent income into his business. After just 6 weeks, we have now established a consistent income in his business every week that allows him to either give himself a pay rise or take a day off. Okay. Now he works really hard, so don't be under any illusions here. This program, you need to work at it and you need to put in the effort. If you take the action that I ask you to take, you will get results. Okay. So that's it from me for now. Any questions, let me know. You can pop me an email. My email is hello@yvonneseymourtraining.com, or you can send me a private message here and we'll arrange a quick call. Okay. So that's it from me. Bye for now. Any questions, just pop them in the thread.